This is Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, October 28th, 2010. The markets opened up higher but quickly sold off and remained negative for most of the day. Toward the very end of the trading session, buyers started coming into the market. The Dow ended up down 16.5 points to 11,109. The S&P was positive by just 1 point to 1183, and the NASDAQ was up 4 to 2507. The S&P and the NASDAQ, although positive, were insignificant, but it's better than being negative. Oil was up 3 cents to 81.97. Copper was up a penny to 3.79. Gold was up $19.90 to 13.42.5. And silver, the big winner of the day, up almost 2.5%, up 57 cents to 23.97. The 5-year Treasury was 1.237, the 10-year 2.661, and the 30-year 4.054. Yields on the 30-year were up and prices were down. And it was just the opposite on shorter bonds. Yields were down and prices were up. What does this mean? This means investors are coming shorter into the yield curve. They are concerned about QE2 next week. The dollar was down against all the major currencies today. And over in Europe, it was up across the board with good earnings and economic data in the EU. Asia was mixed, however, and strong banking earnings boosted the Australian market almost 1%. All of the rest of the countries were just marginally up or down. The big news today, though, was that unemployment numbers, the initial jobless claims, came out better than expected, and the dollar weakened. This should be good for stocks. However, they didn't spark a big rally. Either the market's tired, or they're concerned that Bernanke is not going to go with the full QE2, as he implied earlier. Have a little bit of cash on the sidelines and wait and see. The weak dollar, as I said earlier though, did spark gold and silver. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, October 28th, 2010.